Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin mathematics classes. In my last two videos, we have learned about trigonometry and I will give their links below in the description box. Today in that continuation, I am taking tips and tricks to learn trigonometric formulas and relationship between the various trigonometric functions. So let's get started. The triangle ABC, we will have two angles given. One is 90 degree and one angle we will take as a reference angle. And with respect to this reference angle, we will decide about our sides. Now, this is 90 degree and theta is my reference angle which is at B. Now, with respect to this reference angle, I will be deciding my perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Now, perpendicular is opposite to reference angle. This is my perpendicular. AC is my perpendicular. Why? Because this is opposite, this side is opposite to my reference angle. Base is side on which we have 90 degree angle and reference angle. So on this base, I have 90 degree angle and my reference angle which is angle theta. And hypotenuse is opposite to angle 90 degree. So this is my hypotenuse which is this side is opposite to my angle 90 degree. And this is the longest side of the triangle. Now, reference angle will tell us how to take base and how to take perpendicular in a given triangle. Now, this is the way of writing the perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will remain same even if I will start taking this as my reference angle. Even then, this will remain hypotenuse. Only change will come in perpendicular and base. Because now this is my reference angle. So the side opposite to this will become my perpendicular and the side on which both the angles are there will become my base. So these two sides will get interchanged according to the reference angle. But now in this figure I am taking this is my reference angle. Now from this triangle I can take out three trigonometric functions which are sine, cos and tan. Is it clear? And in my last video, I told you sine is perpendicular upon height, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos is base upon hypotenuse, and tan is perpendicular upon base. There are certain mnemonics in Hindi which will help us to learn this formula, which will help us to learn this trigonometric function. Now, what is that? I am giving you in written here. Pandit Badri Prasad, that is PBP. First initials we will take from here. So this is my first initial, this is second initial, this is third initial. Which will come here? Pandit Badri Prasad. Now in my second line, I will again take the initials H, H, B. Har bole. So this will be H, H, B. From this, you will be able to learn sine, cos and tan. Now what is this? Sona, Chandi, Tole. From these initials, I will get that this is the formula which I am getting from above two lines is for sine. The next one from C I am getting cos. From the above two initials, I am getting the formula for cos. And from this Tole initial T, I am getting that formula for first two initials will make my formula for tan. So in this way, Pandit Badri Prasad, Har bole, Sona Chandi Tole. So from this mnemonic, I have taken out my, this is the way of remembering the trigonometric function in trigonometry. So with this, I can learn the formula and this will remain with the initials only. Not the rest of the parts are not useful for me. Only the initials will come out from it and they will make the formula for sine, cos and tan. And rest of the formulas I know that cosecant is opposite of sine, Secant is opposite of cos and cot is opposite of tan. So this way we can learn 6 trigonometric functions from one Hindi mnemonic. Now there is other way of learning this. In English we have string of letters so, ka, toa, which is the other way of learning the same formula for sine, cos and tan in this right angle triangle. Because some people get confused in they don't understand that how to decide about perpendicular and base in every figure. So there is other way of understanding it. You can take out any method which you can take any method for this from these two to learn the trigonometric function. The second one is in this right angle triangle ABC, we have 90-degree angle and this is my reference angle, which is angle theta at B. Now I will be taking opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse in this. Now how we will be taking? These sides will be only with respect to reference angle theta. Now the opposite side with reference to angle theta is this side, which I was taking as a perpendicular in this. I will be writing here opposite side. Now this angle theta will have two adjacent sides. One is this one, the other one is this one. This one I know is hypotenuse. Why? Because this is opposite to 90. So this will be hypotenuse. So this one, third one which is left will become my adjacent side. Adjacent side means which are attached to the angle, which are along with the angle. So these two sides are making this angle. One has become hypotenuse, so the other one will become adjacent side. So in this way I could make out what is opposite side, reference to angle theta, hypotenuse opposite to 90 degree, and adjacent side on which both angles are lying, or you can say on which this angle theta is there and this side is along the angle theta. Now what is the way of learning this? So, ka, toa. Now how to learn this? S is for sine theta, O is for opposite side, H is for hypotenuse. So this way S, O, H. So this initial and this initial will make so. Sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now after this I am taking ka, C-A-H. From this C is cos theta, A is adjacent side, H is hypotenuse. So in this way I am getting C-A-H, cos theta, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Now tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. And we know that tan theta is always equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Even you can see that opposite side upon adjacent side will be my tan theta. So from this you are getting the same formula, tan theta, opposite side, adjacent side. Tan theta, opposite side, adjacent side. So O is telling me opposite side, A is telling me adjacent side, and H is telling me hypotenuse. So there are two ways you can take out whichever is easier for you. You can decide yourself and you can learn the trigonometric function using that procedure. In this video, I had explained to you the two procedures to learn the sine, cos and tan, the main trigonometric functions from any two procedures. You can follow any one. This was my part 1 for the tips and tricks formulas, and I will be taking this further in my second video, which will be part 2 of this. Thank you for your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.